Hey, Daisy. Hey.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm okay. Trying to get up. We had a late night last night.
Late.
Welcome to the YouTube video. This is what I eat in a day, and I wanted it to just be like super real. Literally, I'm just getting up for the first time, and I'm gonna show you what I do first thing to start my day. Oof! We are not looking cute yet, you guys. But very first thing I
Debatable.
do. Very first thing I do, come in my kitchen, grab a tall glass of water. Really, I forgot the ice. You gotta have ice. And there's a system to this, all right? What I do, while I'm drinking the first half of this tall glass, I'm grabbing my greens, all right? Bringing them over here. Grabbing my pills, my vitamins, stuff like that, okay? What's next?
You mix it.
This thing. No, first I'm drinking half of this, all right?
You sound so hungover right now.
I always sound hungover when I wake up. That's how you know this is real. I don't drink it this fast, but I'm trying to do it really good.
Fun fact, Maddie, chugging anything or eating anything quickly just isn't really her thing. She can't do it.
It's actually coming up my throat right now.
That's what she said.
This morning, I'm gonna have the chocolate greens. And usually on mornings where I have the chocolate greens, I mix it in with almond milk because it's really, really good with almond milk. But I've been trying to just drink more water. So we're having it with my water today. And guess what? It still tastes amazing. So, boom, we mix it in. Extra cold with the ice in there. Oh, heck yeah. And for Brady's sake, we don't put it on the counter yet. We walk over here. We rinse it
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So I'll turn you on. Gonna go work for about an hour or so, go on a walk, and then have breakfast. So, see you there.
Real quick, I ended up having half a bagel and the sugar-free jam because my medicine made me feel sick. Okay, you guys, it is about 11 o'clock and I'm taking a break from sitting at my desk and working. Still in my pajamas, in the same clothes, and I probably will be until I hit the gym today because that's just how my day is going today. But I am feeling really hungry, and because it's Saturday today, which I haven't told you guys yet, today's Saturday, week 2 of prep. I am going to just go to the apartment gym today, so I'm really not going anywhere today. So I'm gonna have lunch right now. It's 11 o'clock. I want something that's gonna fill me up and keep me full for a while until I go to the gym at maybe around like noon or 1 o'clock. I haven't decided yet. I'm just kind of going with the flow today. And then I'll be out of the house for a while, getting my steps in, doing some cardio, lifting just a little bit. And then I'll come back, probably have a snack and dinner and whatnot. But the point is, I want to have a filling early lunch today because I know I'm getting out of the house in a few hours. And I didn't realize that it was already 11 o'clock, so I guess I didn't really have breakfast today. I did have that bagel that I showed you guys and my greens, and oh, I totally forgot while I was sitting at my desk, I did track and have some of those small rice cake bite things. They're so good. They're so good, and it was a good snack that kind of kept me, you know, until now, held me over until now. So yeah, I guess this is kind of like my breakfast, but it's lunch style, so what can you do?
hope we cooked this right because I was so hungry I didn't even want to look up what to officially cook it at and stuff. I ended up starting at 350 and then I turned it up to 400, and I think that's what like made the edges kind of brown. But it feels kind of crispy.
It looks done to me.
Good.
I think it looks good and cooked.
Yeah, I was just trying to get it
I
crispy.
mean, Daisy thinks it smells.
Hey, why are you barking? I just gave you food and everything.
She's so neat.
She's such a teenager right now. Anyways, probably shouldn't be cutting this.
That looks good.
Ooh, it's cheesy. Cheesy goodness. Okay, with spatula maybe. Because it's not very crisp. But it smells delicious. It looks delicious. If it's not crisp, guess what? I'm just gonna roll it up like a sandwich. That's it, you guys. Lunch.
Looks super good.
Okay, but I'm gonna go eat this. Back in the office again. It's a mess in here. We're trying to get rid of those desks because we got some new desks, which we freaking love. It's so nice. But as you can see, it's still a mess. And I just got this new shelf in, and it's gonna be a beast to put together. So this is what I'm gonna do for the next 2 hours. Hopefully not quite 2 hours, but it probably will be. And I'm drinking a diet Dr. Pepper because it just sounded really good right now. It's nice and warm and sunny outside. Babe might go lay by the pool.
Nah, I got so much work to do.
Oh, he's gonna do work. All right, me too. I gotta put together this.
So you guys know, like, we could literally be chilling by the pool. It's like 81 degrees. It's beautiful right now. But we gotta grind and drink diet sodas.
But one of the reasons why we moved here is so that when we do have to grind, we're still like positive and happy because it's sunny outside. You know, like we could be outside in the happy, positive weather, but we're working, chasing our dreams, chasing our goals. Anyways. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Well, that took like almost 4 hours. And my hand is literally swollen from all the screwdriving. But it's finally done and I'm hungry. I got in the zone. I didn't realize how hungry I got, but now I'm really hungry. And so I'm having a little sweet treat before dinner. This is like my first official snack. Saw me put this together. We're doing a sweet take on the little
The key right
TikTok.
there.
Yeah, you just want to fold it up. I'm sure you guys have all seen this on TikTok. The good thing about these is that you really can't put too much in it, otherwise it's just overflowing and it's like not as good. So it needs to fit in there. That's what she said.
You were killing it with those.
This is not, last time I didn't put the Cool Whip in before I heated it up,
Just
and I
like an
shouldn't
after
have.
thing. That being said,
Gosh, you guys.
I mean, it's not like pretty, but like
Well, it's gonna taste good.
I smell the aroma.
I'm so
and
sorry, you guys.
It smells freaking good.
Yeah, like, let's see if this...
You kind of left some of the chocolate syrup behind, but...
See this, just so you guys know, this Hershey's sugar-free chocolate syrup doesn't really taste good by itself. I won't lie to you because I'm a chocolate snob.
No, it's true.
It doesn't taste good by itself, but it tastes good with things, and it's like, it does make it taste chocolatey without many calories at all, so yeah.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah, okay. Pro tip next time, don't put the Cool Whip in it, all right? Don't try to get fancy like I did. Do it right, all right? But it's still gonna taste good. It's messy. All right, bye. We're ready for dinner. We went and got our steps in, got some sunshine, feeling good, and feeling hungry for dinner. Tonight's dinner is brought to you by Trader Joe's, all right? This is one of Braden and I's favorite dinners. We love Asian food, and this is the best way that we've found to implement Asian food into our macros and dieting. Barbecue chicken teriyaki, rice cauliflower stir fry, Chinese style pork buns. All right, just look at it. All right, and what we do is I don't actually have to measure these beforehand because we eat the whole bags. So I'm just gonna throw them on, cook them, and we just halfsies it and look at the serving sizes, and I have half, he has half. So they're really good. And one thing I like about this specific one too, hold on, is with the serving, it comes with 2 sauce packets that are the same size. So we can measure the sauce like perfectly evenly. Perfect for 2 people, meant to be. All right, Babe's finishing it up.
Fancy paper plates.
Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, can't be bothered to do dishes tonight, you guys.
This is yours.
So for dessert, I am having something sweet and amazing and healthy and delicious. One of the key ingredients is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Dust. I freaking love it. And we've just got a bowl of blueberries and strawberries weighed out, sprinkling on that Cinnamon Toast Crunch Dust on top. And then we are going to grab some, well, first we're going to say hi to Daisy and pet the cute little bear. She's always at my feet while I'm cooking. Okay, then we are going to grab the unsweetened almond milk. This Almond Breeze almond milk is my favorite one, just to drink plain or to have in something like this. So we're gonna put in 1 cup, which I believe is 250 milliliters. And I think that the cinnamon sugar adds like just enough sweetness to this, but you can also add stevia on top, and that's it. That's my dessert.
Okay, to end this video, we are doing my week 2 physique update. So again, just gonna kind of mess around. Still no set posing routine, but we're working on it.
Alright you guys, so you just saw my week 2 physique update. Really not much has changed. What has changed is my girl Ashley's here. Hi. We're posing together. She's also competing in summer shredding. She's got her posing bikini on too. Crushing it, crushing the game. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and next week, week 3's video is gonna be just a fun vlog with me and Ashley hanging out, going about our week. So we'll see you then.